The bill allows rape survivors who become pregnant by their attacker to petition the court to remove his parental rights, even with no conviction. Current law requires a felony rape conviction to remove them. The court will use the yardstick of clear and convincing evidence to make the decision. The standard is common in domestic abuse cases.
We terminate parental rights based on clear and convincing evidence in child abuse cases and cases involving people who have used drugs and can't care for their child because of it, and child neglect cases.
The Senate bill met resistance in committee last week. One legislator expressing concern it leaves the door open to parental rights. The judge would take into account the impact removing the father would have on an older child who may have already had a relationship with him. This is the 10th year the bill has come up. Child and victim advocates are pushing hard for its passage. Adoption service reps say their clients are heartbroken to hear a rapist has to sign off on giving the child up for adoption.
Just this year, I worked on a case where a young woman who came to us becoming pregnant as a result of rape. When I told her that we have to, under Maryland law, notify and gain the consent of her rapist, she was devastated.
The legislation has the backing of the presiding officers and the governor. Maryland is just one of 6 states that doesn't have a law addressing the issue. The Women's Law Center supports the measure. Officials say it's one of those rare issues that pro-choice and anti-abortion groups can agree.
We'd like to see them be able to do what they need to do to move forward and take care of their child, or be able to give their child up for adoption.
Advocates' message to lawmakers: pass a clean bill. It's been vetted enough. Amendments will slow down the progress of it to the governor's desk. Reporting live from Annapolis, David Collins, WBAL TV 11 News.